All right, y'all, we're gonna do some Irish ham and cabbage. So we're gonna layer the bottom of this crock pot with some chopped up cabbage. May not need all of this, just enough to have a good layer on the bottom. Right in time for St. Patty's Day. My wife and I actually met on St. Patty's Day, so this has become a more special holiday for me. And then we're gonna add some chopped up ham. Chopped it up myself. I like some thick chopped up ham. I don't know about y'all, but so we're just gonna throw that in there. Make sure it's nice and spread evenly over your cabbage. Next, we're going to take 2 cups of chicken broth, whatever chicken broth you want to use. Just pour it over the top of that. Try to get it evenly over it as well. And then this has already got some sodium going on, but we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper because some of that will go soak into the cabbage down below. Some salt and pepper to taste. If you don't want extra salt, that's cool. And yeah, we're throwing some pepper in there. Just get some good flavor going on. And we're gonna put sliced butter, just a whole stick that I sliced up. We're gonna spread it around the top of this. Some of them are kind of sticking together, but we're not having pretty slices, but we're thinking more function over form here, people. You just want to get that butter evenly over all the ham. All right, y'all, now that we have all that on there, we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna set it on high for about 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours. We're gonna put it on high. All right, let's check on this Irish ham and cabbage. Ooh, it smells good. See all that cabbage all just softened up? Mm-hmm. So give it one last little final mix. I also call this poor man's ham and cabbage. All right, I gotta try this because I'm hungry and it's dinner time. This feels like something my Meemaw would love. Okay, let's give it a try. Yo, this is a good meal. Good, simple meal. You're looking for a little St. Patty's Day meal, or just, you know, bring to the potluck. This is a great one, honestly. You gotta try it.